Hey there, my friends. I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back to my kitchen, where we're about to create something absolutely delicious, an easy, hearty zucchini soup that's perfect for any time of year. Whether you're looking for a light summer meal or a warm, comforting bowl on a chilly day, this recipe has you covered. Before we dive in, I want to give a shout out to all of you amazing viewers out there. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future recipes. And if you're a returning viewer, you know the drill. Grab your ingredients and let's get cooking together. All right, let's start with the star of our dish, the zucchini. I'm using a large one today, but if you've got smaller ones, just use 2 or 3. Zucchini is fantastic because it's low in calories, high in fiber, and just the right amount of sweetness when cooked. Now, go ahead and chop that zucchini into small, even pieces. If you're cooking along with me, take your time. No rush. We want to make sure every bite of this soup is packed with zucchini goodness. Next up, we're adding some leek. If you've never cooked with leek before, you're in for a treat. It has this subtle, sweet flavor that pairs beautifully with the zucchini. Just slice it thinly, and we'll toss it in the pot soon. Leek is also super healthy. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, so you're getting a nutritional boost with every spoonful. Now, let's bring some heartiness into the mix with 2 medium-sized potatoes. Peel and dice them into small cubes. Potatoes are the key to giving our soup that creamy, filling texture without needing a ton of cream or butter. Plus, they help balance out the flavors, making every spoonful rich and satisfying. Onto the onion. We're using a medium-sized one today. Go ahead and chop it finely. No need for fancy knife skills here. The onion adds depth and a bit of sweetness once it's cooked down. It's an essential building block in almost any soup, and today is no exception. If you're an onion lover, you know what I'm talking about. And of course, what's a soup without garlic? We're using just 1 clove today. Mince it up nice and fine. Garlic gives that punchy, aromatic flavor that takes this soup to the next level. I can already smell it coming together, and we haven't even started cooking yet. All right, with all our veggies prepped, it's time to start cooking. Grab a large pot, put it on medium heat, and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I love using olive oil because it's healthy and it adds a nice flavor. Once your oil is hot, toss in all those beautiful chopped veggies, the zucchini, leek, potatoes, onion, and garlic. Give them a good stir, making sure everything gets coated in that olive oil. We're going to saute these for a few minutes until everything starts to turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is all about building flavor. As the veggies cook, they'll release their natural sweetness, and that's where the magic happens. Now it's time to add some liquid. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Next, add 100 milliliters of cooking cream to make the soup extra smooth and creamy. Add a generous pinch of salt and a few cracks of black pepper. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning later, so start with a little and taste as you go. We're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. This gives all those flavors time to meld together, creating a soup that's rich, creamy, and full of depth. Now, for a final touch of creaminess, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh cream cheese. This will make the soup even richer and more indulgent. If you don't have cream cheese on hand, you could also use a dollop of sour cream or even Greek yogurt. Stir it in until it's fully melted and incorporated into the soup. And that's it. Our creamy zucchini soup is ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls, and if you're feeling fancy, you can garnish with a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or basil. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking and guten appetit.